Most organizations in this region have already been breached. Some know it, most don't. This is not a drill. This is not a trend report. The time is running out.
AI is being deployed inside your organization right now without your approval. Regulators are closing in. Your vendors are your biggest liability. And the attackers, they don't stop at borders. September 29th and 30th, 2026, Belgrade, Sava Center. Next IT security, the most important 2 days in regional cybersecurity this year. Day 1 is not for passive listeners. 4 masterclasses, built for security leaders who need answers, not theory. NIS2 and DORA in practice. Shadow AI, find it before it finds you. Vendor risk without, tearing everything down. Cross-Border Cybercrime, and what it actually means for your organization. 4 workshops, limited seats, each one sold separately. Day 2, 100+ senior security leaders, closed room, keynotes and panels from security leaders across NATO, global banking, critical infrastructure, and Fortune 500 companies. This is the first time this event comes to Belgrade. The people making the decisions that define this industries next year, they will be in that room. The only question is whether your seat is already taken.
Make sure it's not.